Yeah, so they've got like full on トイレして、その際のはしないでと言ってたよ。So unless you actually come into like the living showroom spots like that, if you just stick to these gangways, you won't see like those little fun bits. Although there's a lot more people here than we're in that park. So I guess everyone came to IKEA to cool off and get some nice cups. It's kind of nice. Trying to put that down without breaking it. Oh, there's a dog. I'm gonna go over through here though. I like that back wall. It's kind of nice. But I wonder if that dog's for sale. It's fake. Although this actually is an actual frame. Panel for life. Adopt me. Aww. Sounds like the stream is going. Jeez, the phone is still hot. I was hoping it would have cooled down a bit because it's cool in here. It's so air-conned. We got a sit in. Phone holder. Oh shit, breaking it. Let's put that back. What was that? What's that doing? I don't know what it is. Strand one. That looks like a classy chair. You have your brand glass there, Eddie. This is a sitting room. Oh. Like walking through here, I see lots of furniture. I know would not fit in my apartment, and by that I don't mean the style. No, it won't fit. No, I literally mean it is too big. I saw a sofa back there. You can't quite see it, but even on my longest wall, it would not fit. I'd have to have it going across. Bed settees. These boxes. And again, let's get down here. There's a nice little tub there, if anyone wants it. Another lav. Have they put the thing in? Have they put the thing in? They have. Oh man. Although there's toilet paper if you need it. Okay, so our allocated stream time is coming up. So we're going to blitz through the rest of IKEA. If memory serves, IKEA don't have an online store. See, they've got like all these sections for you to go through before you reach like the end, and we're in 4. So we've got some work. As we move into kitchens. Some nice kitchens, mind. IKEA does put some shortcuts in. If you look there is a shortcut like from 1 to 12. There's one from 3 to 6. But the trouble is, if we reach 6 and we go through the shortcut, it'll actually take us back. So because we've already passed like both shortcut starts. Oh, wait, is this? Oh, I nearly did it. I was going to say, because we passed both shortcut starts, I'm not going to take any shortcuts, I'm just going to follow the path. Though I literally just went back in that shortcut as I was saying that. So with IKEA as well, like for those that have never come to an IKEA, like everything that you see on display in that you can buy, and most of it is downstairs in the main warehouse. You'll find like little bits and bobs like here that you can just pick up, but everything most things will also have a allocated location in the warehouse. So coming up to this showcase floor, the showroom floor, with a trolley, you don't need a trolley. Like grab a bag as a must, if you must. But cool bedding. But no, you're not going to need a trolley. I'm tempted. I'm going to have a look at this cool bedding actually, because we're getting at that stage now where everything's a little bit hot. It's still warm. It's slightly cooler than that one, but it's still warm. Ooh, jelly. Still warm. I mean, I guess probably before you go to bed you meant to put it in the fridge or something, but ain't nobody got time for that. As we move into bedrooms, one thing I will point out, when buying a bed from IKEA, because I did buy a bed, you have to buy extra things. So the mattress, you have to buy a mattress separate. Like anytime you buy any bed from anywhere, you'll have to buy a mattress separately. Even if, like in the showroom, they're like, "Oh, try it out, lie on the bed." You won't be getting the mattress. If it's a full bed like that, you're fine. But there are some beds that are just like, actually, that's a bed and a mattress in one. That's all right. But there are some beds as well, like under the mattress, you've got slats. Basically, it look like this. You got to buy them too. They don't come with the bed. So if you buy a bed, prepare yourself to also buy slats and is that a short? No. And a mattress. Damn it, I think that actually was a mini shortcut, not a massive one. Okay, phone is slowly cooling down. As we walk through the kids' toy section. Jesus Christ. What the hell is that meant to be? Jesus. Yeah, so that's the little spot that I just saw a minute ago, and I thought it was a short, but then thought, no, let's be safe. Right, so toys and kids stuff, we're gonna just go straight through, because I don't really like filming when there's kids around. And this is main screamy section. So I'm just walking through, just cutting past. You can probably hear the shriekity screams to the left of me there.
周回りたい。
Alright, I'm gonna go around this little bit. There we go, and